a dripping faucet. Stay tuned and I'm going to show you how you can save yourself some money by repairing a dripping faucet instead of replacing this whole thing. Okay, now a dripping faucet could be caused by several things. If it's dripping here, around here, that's your packing nut. If it's dripping here, that's the seat at the back. This is a frost-free, and so the seat is actually, instead of a normal faucet would be right here, frost-free. This is about 12 inches, I believe, and goes back farther in. So what you're going to do, get your wrench or, you know, good old crescent. You're going to put it there. Some of these get pretty tight. There we go. We're just going to screw that, and you're going to pull it out. See, this is pretty long. This may be longer than 12 inches. And I bet this is crushed. And yep, can you see it right there? That split in that washer is what causes it to drip. See? I don't know if you can see that, if it's focusing or not. Ah, come on, focus. I don't know if it's picking it up or not. Maybe my lens is just dirty, so, but that's what it is. Now we're going to take a flat or a Phillips and remove that nut, and then pull that this rubber washer off, and see if I've got another one in my Danco kit that will fit it. So I'll be right back. Okay, I found one. I don't think that's right. This one's awful thick, but I'm going to pull that off. I'm sorry, I don't have my tripod today, so. See, there's that in there. I'm going to take them loose. And get that off. Yep, I'm going to have to take pliers. This thing's spinning on me. So let me go ahead and take that off and put the new one on. We'll come right back. Okay, let me bring up speed here. Nothing is ever as easy as you think it will be. I have a Danco kit from Lowe's. It has all these different washers and stuff in there for stuff like this. Well, obviously, well, should have known. The one I need is not in that kit. So I went to hardware store. They tried to sell me the same thing. Let me see if I can show you what I'm talking about here. The washer in the Danco kit, they're too thick. Okay, new Danco washers on the left, the old ones on the right. I don't know if you can see that. Well, I tried it. It won't. It's too thick. It won't allow water to come into the spout. So what I did was took my Danco, found me a razor blade in the pickup, and I split that washer. So now we can see they're pretty close to the same size. So let's see if the new one will work. My new modified seat, washer seat, you know, same difference. So anyway, let me get off here. I'll get it back on there. We're going to try this and see if this works. Sometimes you just got to do stuff like this. Hardware store, old time mom and pop, usually they have exactly what I want. I told them the Dancos was too thick. They tried to sell me anyway. I said, I ain't buying it because it's too thick. So anyway, I just cut this one down, like I said, with a razor blade. Be very careful you don't slice your fingers open. So anyway, let me get this on and see if it works. Okay, water's on. You can see it dripping. I think that's going to get it. Now if we just have water when I open this up, yep. There we go. Like I said, now that fixes it if it's leaking here. If it's leaking around here, there's a packing nut in there. Then you have to take this loose. So there you go. And that, folks, is how you fix a dripping faucet. Hope y'all found this useful. Like and subscribe if you did. And it's really simple. That now, if I'd had to buy that frost-free, replace that frost-free faucet, it would have costed probably this thing, the cheapie is around 40 bucks. So for a 12 or 14 inch, I think is that what that was. So anyway, hey, I appreciate it, and we'll catch y'all later. Donald, Blue Collar DIY. I'm out of here.